Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to collaborate with others on a project, but you just couldn't seem to get everyone on the same page? Maybe you've tried using spreadsheets, but they've become too cluttered and difficult to manage. If so, then you might be interested in using Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and share spreadsheets, Gantt charts, and other visual tools. It's a great way to keep track of projects, tasks, and deadlines, and it can help you to improve your team's productivity. In this video, we're going to answer the question, do you have to pay for Smartsheet? We'll also take a look at the different pricing plans and features that are available. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and share spreadsheets, Gantt charts, and other visual tools. It's a great way to keep track of projects, tasks, and deadlines, and it can help you to improve your team's productivity. Smartsheet offers a variety of features, including drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create and customize your sheets. Real-time collaboration. Multiple users can edit and view sheets at the same time. Task management. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Workflow automation. You can automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails or updating reports. Reporting and analytics. You can create reports and dashboards to visualize your data. Smartsheet pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. The most basic plan is the individual plan, which costs $14 per user per month. This plan includes access to all of the basic features of Smartsheet, such as drag-and-drop interface, real-time collaboration, and task management. The next plan is the Pro plan, which costs $25 per user per month. This plan includes all of the features of the individual plan, as well as access to advanced features such as workflow automation and reporting and analytics. The Enterprise plan is for larger organizations and includes all of the features of the Pro plan, as well as access to additional features such as custom branding and priority support. In addition to the monthly subscription plans, Smartsheet also offers a pay-as-you-go option. This option allows you to pay for only the features that you use. So, do you have to pay for Smartsheet? The answer is yes, you do have to pay for Smartsheet. However, Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. You can choose the plan that is right for you based on the number of users in your organization and the features that you need. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you to improve your team's productivity. It's a great way to keep track of projects, tasks, and deadlines, and it can help you to collaborate with others more effectively. If you're looking for a way to improve your team's productivity, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.